Steam cleaners offer a chemical-free cleaning solution by leveraging high-temperature moisture to lift grime, sanitize surfaces, and refresh fabrics. In households with kids, pets, or sensitivities to cleaning chemicals, a reliable steam cleaner can replace or reduce chemical cleaners across kitchens, bathrooms, cars, and upholstery. This comparison evaluates 5 handheld and compact steam cleaners chosen for a range of price points and feature sets.
Product number 1, Bissell Steam Shot Omni-Reach Handheld Portable Steam Cleaner for Tile. The Bissell Steam Shot Omni-Reach combines a compact handheld form with a broad surface capability, marketed as a multi-surface tool for tile, grout, windows, bathrooms, and more. It delivers up to 1,000 watts of steam power with an on-demand trigger and a 10-ounce water tank, supporting chemical-free cleaning with a max temperature around 215 degrees Fahrenheit. The unit is designed for quick, targeted touch-ups and is supported by a dedicated grout brush and other multi-surface attachments. In use, the Omni-Reach shines for rapid, targeted cleanups, grout lines, faucet crevices, and windows with its included grout brush and flexible nozzles. The 3-minute heat time is competitive for a handheld, and the 4-pound weight makes it easy to maneuver. Product number 2, Bissell Steam Shot Omni Pressurized Handheld Multi-Surface Natural Portable Steam Cleaner with 7 tools for tile. This budget-friendly Bissell Steam Shot Omni focuses on a compact footprint with 7 included tools designed for tile, grout, windows, bathrooms, kitchens, and automotive surfaces. It offers over 215 degrees Fahrenheit steam and a 300 milliliter tank that promises up to 10 minutes of continuous steam, supported by a 16-foot cord for reach and a quick 3-minute heat up. It's positioned as a straightforward, efficient option for quick, deep cleans without chemicals. The Omni's larger feature set for a lower price supports more ambitious small cleaning sessions than its Omni-Reach sibling, thanks to its 7 attachments that cover grout, flat scrapers, nozzles, and brushes. The 300 milliliter tank still caps continuous use. Product number 3, Steam Cleaner Got-Yay, positions this model as a durable, high-output portable steam cleaner with a 1.6-liter water tank, 1500 watt heating, and 3-bar pressure, delivering 212 degree Fahrenheit steam. It features a 3-level adjustable steam control on the handle, a long reach with a 78-inch cord and 78-inch hose, and bundled accessories including nylon and brass brushes, glass tools, and floor attachments. The device emphasizes quick heat up, about 15 seconds, and a broad surface capability from grout to car interiors. In practical terms, the Got-Yay offers extended runtime between refills thanks to its larger tank and generous hose length, enabling more comfortable, comprehensive cleaning sessions across bathrooms, kitchens, and even vehicles. The 1500 watt heater and 212 degree Fahrenheit steam provides strong grime disruption. Product number 4, Steam Cleaner Weightbird, offers a premium multi-function steam cleaner with a 1.08 liter tank and 248 degree F steam, supported by a 21 accessory kit designed for comprehensive coverage from floors and grout to cars and upholstery. It highlights a 5-minute heat up, child lock, auto shut-off, and a wheeled storage option, sold separately, to support extended cleaning sessions. The 1500 watt heater and 230 volt operation indicate a robust, high-temperature cleaning experience with a diverse attachment set that includes brass and nylon brushes, glass brushes, floor and carpet accessories, and more. In practice, Weightbird's strength lies in versatility and surface range. Sealed wood, laminates, appliances, windows, car interiors, and pet beds are all within scope. The 248 degree F steam is notably hot for a chemical-free cleanse. Product number 5, Steam Cleaner for Home. Q-Top markets a versatile handheld steam cleaner with 1.69 quart, approximately 1.6 liter tank,
221 degrees Fahrenheit maximum temperature, and 50 psi steam output. The 3-level handle, 16 accessories, and a 138-inch total reach steam hose plus power cord aim to deliver strong coverage for floors, grout, tile, upholstery, and automotive detailing. It emphasizes quick heat up, 15 seconds, and a broad accessory array including glass, brass, and nylon brushes, floor and round brushes, towels, and gloves. From a performance standpoint, the combination of 221 degrees Fahrenheit steam and 50 psi is well suited for penetrating grease and grime in bathrooms, kitchens, and car interiors, with the large tank supporting longer sessions.